feature on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Today is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, which is also known as World Students' Day. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam does not require an introduction since he is more than a name, he is a sensation. Abul Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was his full name. Mr. Kalam was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on October 15, 1931. He was born into a middle-class family and went on to become India's 11th president. He was not only a president but also a famous scientist, and he is known as the Missile Man of India for his contribution to science, particularly missiles and rockets. He worked for DRDO and ISRO among other organizations. He was a true Indian treasure. He demonstrated that with determination and hard effort, anything is possible. In 1997, he was given the Bharat Ratna for his continuous efforts and achievements for the sake of the nation. He is one of the India's great leaders who has a lot of followers. He served the nation for only one term and left us for always on 27 July 2015 due to cardiac arrest. Finally, I would like to state that even though he is no longer with us, he remains a source of inspiration for all Indian dreamers in our hearts. His golden words and amazing achievements will be remembered for a long time. Finally, I would like to express one of his wonderful ideas. We all have an equal opportunity to develop our abilities.